how to get latest content on internet. The best way is to create the Google alert, and you can set the alerts whenever there is any news about the internet, whenever there is something is written on the blog. Sorry for that. When something is written on a blog about your keyword, or any video feeds, anything that happens for your keyword, you can create a Google alert so that you can get the latest content on what is happening, and then you can use your own imagination to write some articles based on that. Thank you.